an interesting experiment going on here with a platform I'm probably going to use, and this is the web-based version of their platform, and the company is called Ninja Trader, and I'm going to quickly go over what I have here. All right, this area that I'm highlighting, I'm hovering over with my mouse. It's a trading ladder for the micro emini June contract, and to the right of it I have the micro NASDAQ June contract. Several of the other modules that I have up, here's a market analyzer, basically gives me some quotes which are also available in the trading ladder. For example, in market analyzer we see that I've highlighted the E-mini, not the micro, but they're basically going to be the same price. Anyway, I have the last price here, basic information about what's been going on, and underneath that, underneath the E-mini, I have the I have the NASDAQ futures, and same thing, it's got prices, change, percentage change, so forth and so on. All right, let me go to the next module. This is an order ticket. So I can use this to place an order. Let's say, for example, that I wanted to buy a contract in the micro. I wanted to buy a contract in the micros, micro E-mini, and I can create a limit order. I can put in a price. Let's just say I'll get filled at this price, so I'll put that in, send.
Order filled.
Filled, and if I go to the module above the order ticket module here, this is the positions module, and note that I'm long one micro June futures, one micro E-mini June futures. There's the price, and it tracks the P&L. Let's say that I want to use the trading ladder to get out of this, so I'm just going to go ahead and
order filled,
and I get an audio fill, and you heard it say order filled. So note that the positions here for the two contracts that I have up to trade, net position 0, net position 0. The order ticket has what I did, and I'm flat. So if I wanted to look at a quick report of what was going on, here's a performance report for today. I'm choosing the day, April 24th, and it will output what I did. So I did do a trade previous to this video just to test out the demo platform. This is not real money. This is a sim that I'm using, but we can see we have the basic info here as far as the number of trades, the gross P&L, all the information about the trade, total profit. Ooh, making 50 cents. Yeah. And it gives you some metrics to help one measure performance. Pretty cool. But the reason that I am interested in this is because, let me go to the orders tab there, and where is it? Performance. Let me do this again. Oh, here we go. So the commissions and fees, note that for 4 contracts I spent a total of $3.64. So the all-in price on one contract is 91 cents. 91 times 4 is $3.64. So I say 4 because I bought one, I sold one. So the round turn really counts as 2. So anytime you do something, if you buy or sell, that counts as 1. And the commission is 35 cents commission, and then the other fees are exchange fees and another fee, I forget what it is, but the total adds up to 91 cents. Whereas when I use my regular platform, which is on Tasty, if I do a trade in the micro E-minis, the commission to buy one is going to be 85 cents as opposed to 35 cents on the other contract. And then the fees, let me show you what we have here. The fees add up to, okay, here we go. So I'm going to highlight this. I bought a micro E-mini. It cost 85 cents in commission, and the fees are 67 cents. So the total is $1.52, and if you do a round turn, that's going to be a total of $3.04. And I'm doing pairs trades here, So I'm going to buy and sell a micro emini. I'm going to buy and sell a micro NASDAQ. So my total for one pairs trade will be $6.08. Is that right? 304? Say 608. As opposed to using NinjaTrader, my all-in price or my round turn here, my 4 contracts is $3.64. So 364 versus 602. The more I trade, the cheaper it'll be for me to trade over the course of a period of time. So depending upon how many of these contracts I do in the course of a week, the course of a month, over the course of a year, this could add up to some significant savings. And yeah, I mean, why not? I actually like this, and this is just the web version of their platform. They have a desktop platform for PCs. I'm on a Mac right now. They don't have a desktop platform for Macs, but this web version of the platform seems to work fine. And I'm going to transfer some money over. And I'm going to use this exclusively for doing pairs trades in the micros, mainly because the commission they charge is a lot cheaper, 35 cents versus 85 cents for what I'm paying now. So that works for me, and I do like this platform. I like the trading ladders. It reminds me of what I was using, Trading Technologies. This was years ago when the trading ladders first came out for futures a while back. So this is very easy for me to learn because I basically already know how to use the ladders, and then I just have to familiarize myself with the different modules, what they do. But I will continue to keep most of my options trades on Tasty platform, which is fantastic. It works well for me. And the difference in commissions in the micros is really it depends on how much you trade. If you trade a lot, then it will add up. But if you're going to do a few trades here and there, then it's probably not worth the savings of 35 cents versus 85 cents. It really depends on how active you are. But for me, I will most likely use this platform. I like it. It's fairly straightforward, easy to use. The learning curve is not steep as opposed to something like Interactive Brokers. All right. I hope that was helpful. Catch you guys later.